somewhere out here, I get a high reading coming from this way. I hear voices over here, no one lives. Empty garage and whatnot. There were voices over here earlier. I got a high EMF reading out here now. Almost at like 60, 61, 62. Earlier I went to the store and it was 35. So at this point, because of constant chest pains, constant headaches, constant being dizzy, my children constantly being dizzy, telling me they got headaches and pains, I woke up this morning and it felt like somebody trampled on me. So it ain't gonna be long before it's either the health department, housing, moving, restraining orders. Something's gonna have to happen. Affidavits of citizens on patrol and whoever else taking part in organized harassment, for which is code 18 US 241. I mean, my buddy told me that he works on HVAC, that radon can give off a high signal. Oh, nah, see? Straight through there, I just saw somebody geese, like, run. At least that's what it looked like. Yeah, you can hear somebody. You hear limbs cracking. So, I mean, I can get affidavits. Oh yeah, there's definitely someone over there. Trust me, my ears, I would not lie, my ears are like dishes and I can hear. And then the fact that I saw something move around the side of the tree, but in the background. So if I gotta deal with any bullshit tonight, pardon my language, Lord, it'll be the last night I ever deal with it. And I'll be doing some stuff from that point on. But it'll definitely be the last night I'm here. Especially when you got people like, that served in the military and, supposed to take an oath. But they go against that oath and take part in Citizens Corp or Neighborhood Watch and end up basically terrorizing people, along with other neighbors. I'm not going to name any, but if you give me a polygraph test, I bet you I pass it. But I'm not going to keep putting my health or my children's health in jeopardy, period. It stops, it goes away, or, we figure out where it goes from there, because we're going on 2 years and I'm done. And I'm sure they'd probably find it pretty interesting that I had a stroke and seizure on May 20th, 2012, and my wife died 5 months later to the day. I mean, lightning don't strike twice in the same place. It's pretty odd. It's almost sinister, like, was man-made. At least that's what it seems like to me. And if that's the case, then 18 US 241 has been violated for a long time, and I just didn't realize it because I was smoking cannabis. But I ain't smoked that in a long time now. Been tempted, but I ain't still touched it. So, that's it. I'm done. If I'm found dead here, the people on my ID did it. Give them all polygraph tests. They either did it or had something to do with it. Like, I can't do it no more. Like, I gotta protect myself. But while you giving out polygraphs, give one where that light is. And then randomly hit another couple here and there. But it's gotta stop. Like, microwaving somebody is like putting a hot dog in a microwave and boiling all the water out of it. And then what's it do? It explodes. So, I'm done with it at this point. If it starts, I get headaches again, any of that. I'm done. That's why I always find 5-hour energy drink shots over there on that main road. Right there, between that light and my corner, I always find one. Or two, or three. The tars of the field.